Hi, my name is J.D. Richards, and I created a web app called Movie Nomination Dashboard using React, Redux, and Node. So let's say you are one of the people who has been chosen to help nominate the films that will be available for the big movie awards, such as the Oscars or the Golden Globes or that type of thing. What this means is that you're going to have to watch about 60 different films over the course of a month and decide which 5 films, actors, or actresses from each category should be available for nomination. That's a pretty daunting task. That's why I created the Movie Nomination Dashboard. It is to be used as a reference for the user to remember the movies that they've watched, the actors, who the actors are, what their performances were, make notes about the actors, look up information about them, that type of thing. So when you are chosen, one of the first things that happens is you're sent about 60 different films to watch over that month and a poster with each film. The poster contains the title as well as a list of people who are allowed to be nominated. You can't just nominate anyone. You have to nominate who has been designated on the poster. So one of the things the user probably first wants to do is to create a list of movies. You can do that in the beginning or as you go along. So let's say, for example, you're watching La La Land, and we all know Ryan Gosling was up for Best Actor for that. John Legend was the potential for supporting. Emma Stone for lead actress, and she won. And I don't think there was a big supporting actress there. So you create that list, you click on it, and when you go up here, it's been added to your list. If you click on it, you receive a poster here in the middle as well as an overview of the movie that you can see immediately and a few statistics. If you click on the poster, you can find out a bit more about the movie, including the running time, whether it's released or not, the date it was released, the budget. And if you've forgotten what the movie was about, you can click on Watch Trailer and watch a bit of the trailer. Also, you can see part of the cast, people that were in the movie. If you don't know them, you can click on it, like J.K. Simmons, and see who they are, what movies they've been in, that type of thing. So that's pretty cool. Listed here underneath are the people that you entered over here as available for nomination. And below that, you can add a note for any of your selected movies. Let's say you saw Fences, and you want to make a note about Fences. So you can say that Denzel should be nominated. And it will create a list of your notes there below for each movie that you choose. Now, if you decide that you want to make a list of people that should be nominated so that you can remember for each category, then you go to this section here. Let's say you want to choose Denzel as lead actor. You can add him to your list for nomination. Or if you want to choose Emma Stone as lead actress, you can add her to your list for lead actress nomination. And here you can click View Nominations and view your list of people that you want to consider for nomination. You'll have to choose 5, of course, from each of the categories. And if you don't remember who the actor is, you can always click on the actor, go back and see information about them if you need to. Also, sometimes we see some of these people, and let's say, for instance, Stephen Henderson. I don't really remember who he is, so I can copy and paste and go to the actor-actress information input box, put his name in there, and find out more about him and what he's known for. He was in Tower Heist and a couple of other cool movies. So there you go. Sometimes when you're trying to enter the names of people in a cast, like let's say the founder, you might not remember who all was in the cast, and if you see them, you can remember who you could nominate. So you can Google that. Here, all right, Michael Keaton, Nick Offerman, Laura Dern were all in the cast. So now you can go back here where you're making your list, and you can enter their names into the input boxes and create your movie once again there. Another nice to have I included was that you can search really for any movie. You could search for the movies that are available for nomination, or just your favorite movie even if you like Jaws, for instance. You can just click and find out more about Jaws, watch the trailer, that type of thing. And also another nice to have is that if you want to know what's playing in theaters right now, you can click and find out what's playing right now and find out more about those movies. Like Logan, I just saw that, pretty cool movie. Can go there, find out, go to their, watch the trailer, find out about the actors, all the same things that you could do with the other movies. So it's basically just a reference with some nice to have, so that when it comes time for nomination, you can make an informed decision and pick the right people to nominate for the awards. Thanks.